Hello students, I am Vaibhav Badkar, biology lecturer, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is living world and biological classification. First question, the imperfect fungi which are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling belong to imperfect fungi. Imperfect fungi. Imperfect fungi. Okay. Imperfect fungi means perfect stage is absent. Perfect stage is absent. And that is, perfect stage means what? Sexual stage. Sexual stage is absent, and that is in case of Deuteromycetes. That is in case of Deuteromycetes. So the correct answer should be Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Deuteromycetes, Basidiomycetes. Deuteromycetes. Second one. The structure that help in some bacteria to attach to rocks and or has tissues are mesosomes, holdfast, rhizoids, fimbriae. One which attach for the one which help the bacteria to attach. Holdfast in case of brown algae, rhizoids in case of bryophytes. Mesosomes are the structure somewhat like mitochondria in prokaryote. So fimbriae is the correct answer. Third one, select the wrong statement. Let us see which is the wrong statement. The term Contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Bijernik. Correct. Mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human being are caused by virus. Correct. The viroids were discovered by DJ. This is wrong. It should be A.O. Diener. It should be A.O. Diener. Okay. So C is the wrong statement. Fourth question. In which group of organism the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? That is like soap box, and that is in case of diatoms. Dinoflagellates, slime molds, chrysophytes, euglenoid. Chrysophytes, they include diatoms. So C is correct answer. Fifth one. Pick up the wrong statement. Let us see which is wrong. Some fungi are edible. Correct statement. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera is wrong, because Monera is prokaryote, right? Monera is prokaryote. Then how nuclear membrane can be present here? So this is the wrong one. Moving on to sixth question. Choose the wrong statement. Again we have to select the wrong one. Okay. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushroom. This itself is wrong. It's not poisonous, it is edible. So A itself is wrong. Cell wall is absent in. Cell wall is absent in Mycoplasma, Nostoc, Aspergillus, Funaria. It is absent in Mycoplasma. We know that. Mycoplasma is smallest known living organism without cell wall. True nucleus is absent in. Eighth one. True nucleus is absent one. See, true nucleus means nucleus with nuclear membrane. Nucleus with nuclear membrane. This is absent. This is absent, and that is in case of prokaryotes. That is in case of prokaryotes. Okay. So let us see which one is prokaryotes here. Vaucheria is not prokaryote. Volvox is not prokaryotes. Mucor is not prokaryotes. Anabaena is prokaryotes. Kingdom Monera. So 8th is answer. Ninth one. 5 kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whitaker is not based on. Let us see. Presence or absence of cell of well-defined nucleus. Yes, it is based on that. Mode of nutrients. Based on that. Complexity of body. Of course, based on this. So none of these must be the answer. Moving on to 10th question. Which of the following shows coiled RNA strand and capsomere? Poliovirus? No. Measles virus? No. Retrovirus? No. TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Okay. Moving on to 11th question. Viruses have DNA enclosed in a protein coat? Yes, correct. Prokaryotic nucleus? No. Single chromosome? No. Both DNA, RNA? No. Okay. So correct answer is A. 11th A. That is DNA enclosed in protein coat. Protein coat is called as capsid. Okay. So A is the perfect answer.